Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair Vizio Soundbar to Apple TV, HDMI, ARC, eARC, Optical and Bluetooth. So method first is HDMI ARC or eARC. Connect an HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the Vizio Soundbar. Then connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC or eARC port on the TV. Enable HDMI CEC and ARC eARC setting on your TV. Then change the Dolby audio format in the TV's audio menu to bitstream, Dolby Digital or pass-through. On the Apple TV, go to Setting, then Video and Audio, then Audio Output, then select the sound system. Second method is Optical Digital Audio. Plug one end of a digital optical cable into the optical out on your TV and plug the other end into the optical in your soundbar. Press the input button on the Vizio Soundbar remote or the bar itself until the LED indicator read as optical. Go to your TV audio setting and set the digital audio out to PCM. Third method is Bluetooth. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the Vizio soundbar or remote for 3 to 5 seconds until LED indicator blink. On your Apple TV, navigate to Setting, then Remote, then Device, then Bluetooth. Wait for the Vizio soundbar to appear on the screen. Select the Vizio soundbar to start the pairing process. Confirm the connection to complete the pairing. Thanks for watching.